Hey guys, welcome back to Mickey and Jesse's channel. Today we're opening Shopkin fridge. So let's get started. So this is what you get inside the fridge. You get two Shopkins. You get mini eggs. Here's one of the Shopkins you get. Here's the other Shopkins you get. They bring some stickers. There's 2 packs. 2 bags and 1 cup. So here you could put a Shopkin and close it up. You get the cup, you squeeze it, and the Shopkin comes out. And you could store some more Shopkins in here if you want. And here too. Scissors. Here is 1 egg you get. Here is another one you get. Here is the other one you get. Here's another one. Here's the other one. And the last one you get is this one. So you can move the eggs around if you want, or you can keep it straight. And right here you could put some more Shopkins, and the eggs even work for here. And you could even decorate your fridge. Here is 1 pack you get in the fridge. You could decorate your fridge. You can put as many as you want. You get another pack of stickers. And that's all you could do with the fridge. I hope you love this video, and thank you for watching, and see more videos in Jessie and Miki's channel. Subscribe, thumbs up, like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.